it's Charity from A Loop and a Hook, and today I wanted to do a little bit different but also really fun video. Today's video is going to be my top 8 Amazon must-haves of 2024. So these are all items that I purchased or have gotten within the past year, and they are ones that I highly recommend for anybody who is looking for them. Some of them are just really great to have on hand. Other ones are, more specific to certain needs, but I'm going to share them all. I will have my Amazon storefront linked in the description below, and you can find all these products under the list that says my favorites. There will be everything that we talk about today, so be sure to go check that out so you can see more of the details to each of the specific products that I mentioned. So the first thing I want to talk about is a 1-gallon stainless steel water bottle. Now, for most people, 1 gallon might be a little bit big. And, I agree, and most of the time I'm not going to be drinking a gallon of water. It works absolutely great for my husband when he goes to work. He's a landscaper, and when he's out all day, he needs water, and he goes through a lot. So to save money, and also to be, more green, we decided to buy a stainless steel 1 gallon water bottle, and it works great. It keeps water cold for over 12 hours while he's out, even in a very hot truck. We are very impressed at it. Definitely something to have if you travel a lot, if you drink a lot of water, if you work, if you just want to save money and also save on plastic water bottle waste. Definitely a must have. So the second thing on my list is something that I purchased right before I had my daughter, and it is a absolute must-have for anybody. I would almost say anybody across the board, but especially for nursing mothers, mothers with small children, parents with small children, and it is a Little Touch nightlight. So this Little Touch nightlight is cordless, it is battery charged, and the battery lasts such a long time. I think I don't think I've charged mine in almost 6 months, and now we don't use it all the time, not for, it's not like on 24/7, but I use it at least once a day, if not more, when I'm going to take care of my daughter at night, or, any other number of things. I purchased this for nighttime nursing so I wouldn't have to turn on the overhead light and wake up my husband when I was feeding our daughter, and quickly it became my favorite product to use. It is a tap light, so you just tap on the top and it lights up. It is absolutely amazing. I love it so much. It is definitely something you should think about getting, and also we use this for camping too. And on the bottom it has a little hook where you can just hook it on. We chose a bungee cord because that's what we had in our tent, and it worked absolutely amazing. Didn't need any electricity. You charged it before you went camping, and it was good for us. It worked so well. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this product. It's held up so well. I've dropped it I don't know how many times, and it has held up so well. So now this product is mostly for parents, and it is reusable, washable chucks. When you have kids, you definitely know things happen, and this is perfect for when somebody's throwing up and they're in the living room and you don't want them to throw up all over the carpet, or if you're changing diapers and you don't want to have to potentially wash all the sheets on your bed or your changing table, or even for when you start potty training and you don't want a potential nighttime accident to turn into having to wash all of the laundry. These are absolutely perfect. They hold up so well. I have, I think, probably a dozen or more of them, which might be a little overkill, but they are perfect. They work really well. They hold up amazing, and they're actually what hospitals use in most cases on their patients who are more long-term. So definitely recommend those if you have littles in your house. Definitely something that is worth investing in. So this next product I bought when we were having a problem with having enough outlets, and especially the only outlet we had in our bedroom that my husband was using to charge his devices at night was one that was right behind the mattress. So every time you would get into bed, you would either have to pull the mattress out to plug it into the wall, or you would plug it into the wall and then the mattress would ram the cord and the cord would break. So the solution I found, and this is probably my all-time favorite purchase, or it's probably a tie with the nightlight, and it is a flat power strip. Now it has room for 3 different plugs on the power strip box, as well as 2 USB-C charging cables and 2 USB charging cables. And it is amazing. It has held up so well. We've had this for almost a year, if not a little more than a year. And it has been one of the best investments I've made, so we don't have to be buying new cords so frequently. It also is really nice because I'm able to plug more items into the outlet. It's built well. It's held up to our use and abuse over about a year. I definitely recommend this product for anybody who has an outlet behind some furniture, or you just need a couple of extra outlets. Definitely something to look into purchasing. The next thing is an exercise ball, and this has multiple purposes, and the reason I initially got it was for when I was in labor. I wanted to labor on a ball. I didn't on hands and knees. I didn't want to, you know, be on my back. So that's the original reason why I bought the exercise ball. But even now, actually, I'm sitting on one right now. Even now, I use it all the time when I'm editing videos, when I'm working on my business. It works really well. It's a lot more comfortable than a chair for me. And it also promotes a little bit better posture than a chair does. So the next item I purchased actually when I was pregnant with my daughter, and I bought them because I needed a dresser for her, and I only had a changing table and it didn't have any drawers. So when I was looking for storage containers that looked cute but also were versatile and held up better, I found these. Now I had looked at like Dollar Tree and Walmart and like at the storage cubes, but they seemed really cheap and flimsy, and I knew they would not hold up for long, and I wanted something that I wasn't wasting my money on, that was going to hold up for a longer period of time. And these are some of the best quality ones that I found off of Amazon. They fit on a 12 by 12 cube shelf. Now they will hang off a little bit, but the hang off doesn't like affect them. It's not going to make them tip off or anything. They are amazing. So we actually ended up getting rid of the changing table that they were in, and I moved them to my cubie shelf, and it works perfect. I love them. They have held up so well for over the course of almost a year. Definitely recommend getting these if you are looking for a storage solution that is durable but also cute and functional. So this next item is a personal care product, and it is shampoo bars. Now when I started switching things to a more holistic as well as sustainable option, I decided I was going to try out shampoo bars, and I had never tried them out before, but I was like, you know, I'm going to spend like, I think it was like $7 at the time, and I'm going to try these out, see if they work for my hair. If they don't, it's $7. It's not much more than a bottle of shampoo, and you know, I'm going to try them. And I did try them, and I absolutely love them. They work really well for my hair. They have just been amazing. They last, I would say, 30 or more washes, give or take. I mean, it depends on how much you're using, but generally I found that the bar lasts about 30 washes or so. So for the amount of washes you're getting for paying, like right now I think it's $9 for them, it's really great. So you would get 2 bars for $9 and you get like 60 washes out of it. So really inexpensive, also more sustainable. It takes up less waste, less packaging. Really great. Definitely recommend this if you are looking for something that is more sustainable in terms of shampoo and also uses less packaging and product. So definitely recommend this if you are looking to go that route. And the final product is one that I use for cleaning, and I actually did not buy this off of Amazon. Now, I found the exact same one on Amazon, and I know it came from Amazon, but I actually found this on a free pile. And I had been wanting one of these for a really long time, and I didn't want to pay full price for them. So when I found this in a free pile, I was so excited and so happy, and I think I used it the same night because I was so excited about it. And that item is a handheld steamer. Now, if you watch any videos on either Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, I'm sure you have seen a handheld steamer, and that's because these things are just amazing. And I know this sounds like a broken record, everybody's using them, but this product really does work amazingly. I even used it tonight cleaning my kitchen and my stove, and I love it. It takes things that are just so hard to clean and makes it really easy. Now, there are certain things where, you know, it will still take scrubbing. It's not like an instant cure-all and you won't have any scrubbing to do ever again. There will be some, but it makes overall life so much easier, and just definitely something that I highly recommend getting. Also, if you are looking for a gift to give to somebody who likes cleaning, or also just a gift that is very practical in nature, this is definitely something I would recommend. So that is everything that I would highly recommend and on my must-haves for 2024. Now, obviously, if you don't have a use for them, I wouldn't recommend going and purchasing them. As you probably know, I am going through and decluttering my house, but these are all things that have made the cut and are still in my home, and I am still using them even now. Definitely recommend them if you are in the market for any of these items. Once again, the link to my Amazon storefront will be in the description below, and if you go through that link, you will see a list labeled My Favorites where all these items are, and you can check them out. If you do decide to purchase them and you purchase them through my link, I do earn a small commission, which is greatly appreciated. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, also daily vlogs, other household cleaning videos, decluttering, cooking, anything housekeeping and homemaking related, be sure to hit subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you for our next video. Bye!